What's up, guys? Welcome back. Kakuzu from Naruto, one of the Akatsuki members in his sort of full, crazy, hairy puppet form. Probably has an official name, but hairy, crazy puppet form is what we'll call it today. I'm on a landscape page. Use pencils and erasers. Hit pause if I go too fast. Take your time, try have fun, and we're going to start with his eyes. Head is quite small, so I will be zooming in. So we're up here. I'm going to fit in most of them. It's just like all grey behind them, and we have two of those puppet things. Okay, zoom, go. Eyes. Typical Naruto. And we're like, they're kind of small, so we'll keep them sort of basic. Up. Diagonal. Across the top. They have a hook down the back, and then the bottom eyelid just comes over there. That's your basic Naruto eye shape. A lot of animes look like that, but Naruto and Boruto are the ones that use this kind of hook at the back the most. He's got a green eye underneath this, looking sort of up, like so. And his eyebrow kind of just goes underneath his headband. So we can do this little tick kind of here, but it kind of disappears underneath the headband line. And it's kind of thicker than the rest, but we'll just sort of stop it like that. Go over and do the other. Your eye distance, right? So the width of his eye fits in between. So his next eye starts about there. So that's like, so there to there is about an eye, roughly. And then we'll go over the top again. And then the little hook at the back. And then the bottom eyelid comes underneath. Like so. Again, iris, half circle, just kind of coming down under here, looking up, and then this check mark for the eyebrow. And it might be a bit thicker just than the rest because it's an eyebrow. So I'll draw this headband line just coming across here just so it makes a bit more sense, I think. It's just like a curved line. Right, we have some lines just underneath his eye, kind of this kind of stuff. Maybe some eyelid lines here. So, nose line. Just kind of left of center here, coming down from the eyebrow usually. Down like that. And then in Naruto, they just sort of go with kind of nostrils just like that. Pretty basic. So his mouth's real weird. He's got this stitching all along it. So we'll go with, it's real wide, right? Like the very edge of it, it's like it nearly goes off his face, I think. But we'll go, let's say, just here, we'll start here. It's kind of weird, it's like a snake, sort of. Okay. And he's got all this hair coming out of the top, so it comes like down, sort of these tentacles, or I don't know if you'd call them tentacles, but they're like these spikes. Alright, there's way more of this, so we'll just go for that now. Just kind of like, it's kind of like he has a really long beard. Okay. So bottom lip, we can just see it kind of open here. Like his mouth is open. And then there's like stitching. So like just 4 little black lines here on the side of his mouth. Now you could do these gray, of course, if you wanted. But we'll keep it simple and we'll just go with the black lines. His jaw then comes up here. And he's got this kind of wrapping around his face, right? So kind of like, so it like comes out of it here. So you have 2 different lines starting here. So it kind of looks like a letter Y or something. Because he's got this little piece of fabric or something coming around his face, right? Kind of bumps around his ear there. And he's got like a chunk taken out of that side. And then his ear there. So his headband's unusual, right? So it goes up the side and then comes into a sort of a triangle or something. Like just a spike. Like that. And then his head, like the rest of his head, is just done this way. And then we have his ninja plate, so that piece of metal, 2 curved lines here. It's just like a rectangle with curved edges. And this will go underneath. And then this goes around. And he's got like lightning. What village is he from actually? I can't remember. Someone will tell me. So we got like these upside down sort of lightning things. I'm going to just do them as single lines. You could do it with double if you wanted to look like it's scratched in. It's just my lines all sort of blur together. All right, and then the scratch going through. And then just little curved lines like this for the studs on the side. And maybe the top line there. So this white sort of thing that's around his head, right, it comes around his shoulders as well. So it goes bumping down this way because it's fabric. Right, so it has like some bumps and folds on it. It's like a sort of a collar. Okay, so we got these 2 guys up here. So what will I do? We'll get maybe his body in first, right? So he's got sort of a sleeveless t-shirt, sort of hangs down here. And we got like some of his scars and things in his chest or his ribs, say, coming out the side. And then this goes down this way. Bumping. Because the fabric is folding around his stomach. And he also has like a waistband or something on here. Like a white one. Just with folds. Like an all folding sort of fabric and stuff on this. And then his legs just keep going down this way. Loose clothing going down there. Right, I guess we got to do these masks then. So they're just kind of ovals, but we can see their noses. But we'll do like a letter sort of C shape first. Right, it's kind of like a capital letter C. When you get up here, there's a nose, so it's like it's kind of bumpy here. So it's got like a little bit of a cheek or something there. And this is like the nose sort of section, I'd say. Like that. Do the same on this side pretty much. It's not like as pointy of a nose, but if you start with the letter C, seems like the bottom sticks out more, right? So it kind of sticks out a bit here, right? And then there's a nose sort of there as well. And then it goes up there. There's details in there, so they've got like nostrils. And then eyes. One there. Here. It's like a little design and pattern on all these. There's like a bird's mouth or something, like a letter M just there. And then a blue spike. And this side's red and white, so like top of his nose there. Flatter. Then this goes around kind of like a visor. Like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. And then eyes in here. There. And then the mouth. Kind of square, cartoon-like, very simple. Teeth inside, so you just go around that edge again. Very similar shape. And teeth. It's kind of like totem pole faces or something. There's all stitching around the head, so you can just add these. Not sure if the stitching is attached to him. It just looks like it's floating, sort of. Maybe it's probably attached to his shoulder anyway. Looks like. Doo-doo. Right shoulder. Going that way. Another one. Say in here. And then all this weird stitching stuff. So we gotta just do this, right? So comes down, it's like a slice here. It's gray inside, skin color here, right? And I'll draw sort of like roughly the arm sort of shape, right? And this will be shoulder, bicep area, forearm then. Just goes down there, forearm goes down that way. So there's all details and stuff on that. We'll just get it in on this side too. No easy way of doing it really, you just gotta. So that's like the top of the arm. Kind of just copying the other side. Doesn't have to be the exact same. Once you get kind of this tube-like bump thing. So it's like shoulder, bicep, tricep, forearm. Shoulder, bicep, tricep, forearm. Keeps going. And it's like, it's not in proportion or anything, so it's supposed to look a bit weird. So there's another arm underneath. Just follow that sort of, like going down that way. So he's got 4 arms, in case you didn't know. So on those arms, right, we got to break them up into sections of this hairy tentacle stuff and then standard human skin. So curving lines at each sort of section of it, each junction. So like here, that's gray skin. There's just scars here. It's not sort of opened up on this arm. And same on this, I think. Is there a tattoo down there? There is. How close is it to that? About here. Well, I think it's a tattoo. Right, so curve. What's here? Well, there's another skin line here that I missed. And here. Gray. Okay, this. Okay, stitching and then textures all over the gray parts. So say I'll do like textures on this first. I think we got like another sort of texture part there. That's skin, and then wavy sort of textures here. Wavy textures in here. So I guess that you're trying to make them look kind of like muscle fibers, kind of. Just a random sort of. Pattern like that. Stitching then, just these dashes. Again, you could do them gray if you wanted them to be colored, but we're using black, so it's kind of manga style, I guess. What's this here? 3 of them. Okay. Hair. Kind of hair, kind of spikes. And it's all down his back. Pretty much everywhere. So add as much as you want. Like it goes way, like it's way bigger than my page even. Like it goes way up. So feel free to do more if you have room around your page. And going like off the page this way. Chair is squeaky. Needs oil. Okay, so that's just all like gray all behind there. And okay, Kakuzu, sort of full form. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.